Need to extract the soundtrack from a local MP4? This workflow is useful when you only need the spoken or musical audio from a video you own. I will show the complete process, verify what the tool produces, and explain the one limitation that matters. Open MP4 to MP3 Converter on AudioFetcher. The media processing workflow runs locally in your browser, so the selected file is not uploaded to an AudioFetcher media server. Keep the tab open until the result is ready. Choose a MP4. The page confirms the selected item before processing. For tools that accept several inputs, the order shown here is the order used in the result. Pick the MP3 bitrate according to whether the source is speech or music. Use settings that match the destination rather than selecting the largest number automatically. Then start the tool and wait for the local engine to finish. The completed workflow produces an audio-only MP3 with the video omitted. Download or inspect the result before closing the page. The automated AudioFetcher test suite also opens this output with FFprobe and verifies its expected stream properties. The first audio track is used. Subtitles and extra tracks are not included. Keep the original until you have listened to or inspected the result. The direct tool link and a written summary are in the description.